Hello, I am Arnab Dotto, a student in the Department of Comparative Literature, Jadavpur University, Kolkata. I have undergone practical work experience there in London and had the privilege to deliver a lecture in the University of London on my own work on the sharing in intellectual and cultural history between the city of Calcutta and London.
The research I do frequently takes me to the British Library in England at least once a year. Now this would not be very remarkable had it not been for the fact that my primary area of research is in fact Bengali publishing and printing in the 19th century. Due to various reasons, one of the biggest collections of 19th century Bengali material is to be found at the British Library. In trying to create a bibliography of early Bengali printed material, I had to depend very extensively on the holdings of the British Library. More than 20% of which were unique titles in that they were not to be found in any other depositories commonly available in India or indeed in Bangladesh.
This is the very background where I can look at my own work as well. Although belonging to a generation just next to Dr. Gupta's, I have been experiencing similar charm in working situation there in UK. And my major publication on the role of London in the entire book and printing history of Bangla is coming out this year in a book called The London Reader 1.
Being a student of history, I should admit that I'm more interested in the shared past of India and Britain. But uncovering this shared past depends on a large extent on the future scholarly ties between India and UK. I feel there should be more tie-ups between Indian and British universities, and the South Asian archival records of the School of Oriental and African Studies should be made available online for Indian research students, as many of them don't have the resources to physically visit these archives in Britain. Also, I feel more importantly, scholarly historical research should not be confined in the domain of scholars and intellectuals, but should be brought to a more popular level. This will encourage mutual understanding of the present as well, and maybe even encourage tourism.
India-UK relationship goes a long way, despite a shaded past, at least from the Indian point of view. I feel it has left us, the Indians, in an advantageous position. I feel we have a better understanding of the Western culture than from an ordinary British citizen. Despite this comparatively better understanding, we Indians are never encouraged to study the English culture, or for that matter English history or English literature from an Indian point of view, whereas there are numerous instances of English students pursuing research on Indian history, Indian culture. So it is here I feel that there is a chances of development. In future we can open up new vistas, at least from the academic point of view. If we can encourage study of the British culture, that is from the point of view of the South Asians, the former quote-unquote colonial subjects.
Well, in this interesting time when digital space has been possibly filling in the gaps between geographical barriers, it shall be very foolish to possibly propose that cultural transaction is supposedly relying on material locomotion. But what is necessary is the entire aspect of cultural transaction. And for the sheer necessity of it, I believe we need to have more young research scholars coming down from their plebs to ours, and our people need to possibly seek out and explore their boundaries. Misconceptions do exist, and such misconceptions can only be possibly taken away with if someone who is possibly coming down from UK to India and takes up practical experience of staying behind here and working in the kind of environment we have been exposing ourselves as young research scholars down there.
At present, among all the foreigners who visit India, number of British tourists is the highest, and also for most Indians, UK is the number one foreign destination that they wish to visit. And this mutual interest in tourism, I feel, is to a large extent because of the shared history. So both these countries should work more towards the promotion of historical scholarship and an interest in the shared past in the future.
Had I not been very keen into the Bangla book history or Bangla printing history, I were in no position to know that there are 66,000 Bangla books available only in the British Library. Forget about all the other Indian languages. There should be a proper mechanism in future which will enable us, not only the specialists but also the commoners, to know more about these shared bondings, shared cultural relations. Well, not all the countries have the chance to start afresh with such an already built mechanism of cultural understanding. There might have been the spectres of shared past, but we must surpass that mere past and make endeavor into the new areas like the basic sciences, technology, digital humanities, etc. The core area in 21st century's cultural relation. Well, we do have a shared past, but that shouldn't be the end. We should work further in order to build a shared future also. Thank you.